In this video, we are going to set up Qwen 3.5 4 billion model in quantized format, and we will integrate it with Claude Code by Anthropic by using Llama.cpp. This will be fully offline private coding agent, and we will be combining all these in one video, and it will be quick, it will be short, and anyone can follow it. So let's get right into this. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system and I will be using this NVIDIA GPU courtesy Massed Compute. You can also rent it on fraction of cost. You will find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. Okay, so first up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to install Llama.cpp, which is very quick. I'm going to git clone their repo. It says it's already exists. I'm just going to remove this just to show you from scratch how exactly this works. It is going to git clone it. It's a large repo, by the way, so you need to make sure that you have that much space. Takes a bit of a time as compared to other repos. Okay, so it is almost there. And then we need to compile it from the source. I'm just going to use this command. And then we can build it locally by using the cmake command. This is where it takes around 5 to 10 minutes. So let's wait. And by the way, if you're not aware of these Qwen 3.5 family of models where we have 2 billion and then 4 billion, 9 billion and few others which we have been covering for quite some time now, you can simply just go to my channel and then you can search with Qwen 3.5. And you can find heaps of videos on this family. Now llama.cpp is all done. Next up, let's install this Hugging Face hub library because we need to download the model. And now we can download the model from Hugging Face, and I'm just using their snapshot download command in a quantized version from Bartowiski, which I just showed you. You can use any other GGUF file of your choice, and of course you can replace this 4 billion model with any other model of your choice. So the model is also downloaded. Now it's time to integrate it with Claude Code. In order to install Claude Code, all you need to do is to run this command. Claude Code is Anthropic's coding agent, and that is what we are going to use here. And the idea is that you don't have to sign up to Anthropic. It's so that you don't have to pay for any API key, or you won't be facing any throttling or rate limits. We will be integrating this Claude Code with this Qwen 3.5 in quantized version. So that is all done. Now let's serve the model which we just downloaded with llama.cpp. And the command is quite standard where we are using this quantized version of Qwen 3.5. This is the Q4KM quant level. The alias is this, some hyperparameters, and then I'm just giving it some context size. Let's run this. And if you have a lesser VRAM, by the way, you can decrease this context size to like 8000 or whatever. And within a jiffy you can see it has just loaded the model, and now it is being served on our local system, and it also shows you how much VRAM it is consuming and all that stuff. I will also show you through NVTop shortly. Don't close this terminal, let it run. Let me quickly show you the VRAM consumption. There you go, just under 6000 gig of VRAM for this quant. Okay, so we are all good. I will let it run, and then in another terminal I'm simply going to launch my Claude Code with this alias of Qwen 3.5 4 billion. And now we are in. You can see that the Bartowiski is Qwen 3.5 with higher rate is already loaded, and we are in our current working directory. This warning is just harmless. You can start giving it prompt of your choice. So I'm just asking it to write me a Python function. It is now thinking with a high effort. And then very quickly you can see that it has returned me the response. I'll just take you up. So this is where it has told me that it is going to sorry, create that Python file, and then it is this sieve, and it has even given it the name. This is a create file. I mean, I'm not really fussy about what exactly it has created, because 4 billion in Q4 quant is not really your ideal agentic model. But what we are actually trying to look here is that if we are able to use this Claude code from Anthropic with a free local offline model, and then it is asking me, okay, if I wanted to create it, I'll say, okay, fine, yes, go for it. And then it is going to flutter, and then it is going to create that file for us. It has created that file, and if you remember, I also asked it to create me a test file, and I'm just going to go down with my arrow key so that it doesn't keep asking me. And it is now also creating the test. It is also, it is, it requires approval. I just say okay, fine, and then it is again asking me. I'll just say, there you go, don't ask me for Python files, don't do it in production, but I'm just testing it out at the moment. It is just self-reflecting and checking out various things, and it has now updated that file quite easily. And there you go, after a while it has done, I think, a fabulous job of creating these two files, the actual code and the test, which I asked it to do. And I'll quickly show you the files too. So this was a working directory, this is the actual file, and if you go through it, you see 4 billion model, and look at the work it has done. And this is a test which it has created. Look at this. This is actually the brilliance of our Qwen 3.5 models. And as I was mentioning earlier, it is not just the marketing of the channel. Look at this. We have covered these Qwen models from each and every angle. And this is a 4 billion one which we covered. I think this is really a secret weapon when it comes to AI. It is so good. And if you are looking for more powerful models, check this out. 3.5 mixture of expert model. We also have covered it with OpenClaw, and then Llama.cpp OpenClaw combined. We have gone with other variants of it. We have done the comparison, some unfiltered models in the different quants and stuff. Plus we also have covered the 27 billion dense model too. So now you know how to run these Qwen 3.5 model in a quantized format using Llama.cpp. Most importantly, how to make your own full private local coding agent by using this Anthropic's Claude code. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Always very keen to hear about them. And again, a huge request, please become a member of the channel if you want to keep the lights on and help me making these videos. Really appreciate. And please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates regularly. I have become quite active recently on X and looking for your support. Thank you for all the support so far.